Welcome to week 6. First of all, let's recapture on what we have so far learned in week 5. First of all, by now you should have an understanding for all of the disciplines and the professional design team members on how to mitigate and resolve design errors. You should understand that mitigating and resolving design errors can be done using a clash detection software or analysis package. You should also by now be able to develop your own clash detections and to also substantiate these with a clash detection report. These should now form as a solid part of the evidence provided within your own reports. What to expect today? Today's lecture will include a guest talk from the Corstorphine and Wright architects. The head architect from Corstorphine and Wright will be attending to discuss the Pershore Street development. It is quintessentially important that every member of your group makes every effort to attend this guest lecture. It is only at this guest lecture where you will have at first hand the opportunity to ask the relevant designer any pertinent questions that may relate to your own design for the Pershore Street development. In the computer lab this week, you will be taught how to develop detailed designs and schedules and quantities from a BIM model. This is again quintessentially important for the quantity surveyors as well as other design team stakeholders. You will specifically learn and explore how to develop schedules that can be extracted from the BIM models. You will also understand how to edit and structure these schedules, and you will also understand how to develop a smarter model that will then enable quicker and faster cost estimates by the quantity surveyors. You will also learn how to export this schedule data into other file formats that can be edited, revised, and shared with other team members, such as construction managers, planners, and building surveyors. By the end of this computer lab session, you will also have an end of tutorial assessment. Within your group, you should again begin to plan how to progress this particular element within your report. This week's lecture and interactive tutorial will particularly be of interest to the quantity surveyors, as well as the building surveyors. You will fundamentally understand how to develop cost estimates using the information from the models. Additional reading is suggested again for this week. From the BIM handbook, you should read Chapter 7, BIM for Subcontractors and Fabrication. This chapter highlights again the necessity and the requirements for extracting information from a BIM for alternative and different stakeholders to use for their own individual tasks and disciplines.